G'day, it's Melissa here again. How are you? Welcome back to my little channel. Been very busy lately with the children and school holidays here in Australia. September school holidays, been absolutely lovely. We went on a little road trip to visit my mother, so it was very nice. I think most of the kids enjoyed it. My eldest 14-year-old didn't really have that much fun, but went to the beach at Tenham Sands there up north, and it was really lovely and beautiful weather as well, so it was really nice little break. Thanks for stopping by today to have a look at my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a little bit of VIKEN, which you've probably seen a little bit of. Couldn't help but pick this one up. This one is beautiful purple and green or teals, absolutely lovely. I picked up a bit of this one. I tried to keep it to a minimum because here in Australia it is quite expensive. So without further ado, I'll get stuck straight into it. Got the ephemera bits, the tag set, the laser cuts, and the paper. The 12 by 12 collection pack. I didn't get the 6 by 8 one because I didn't really think I'd make cards with it. I thought I'd just get some to make layouts, and obviously you can use it for cards as well, but I thought I would just stick with this. So I'll try to keep it in frame. It would be good. So there's the front cover. You get a very good idea of what's in the pack. 12 by 12 collection pack. So you get 8 double-sided patterns, one of each design. So there are some cut parts on the back of that. I'll bring them up so you can see. It's nice to see these up close. Very watercolor florals. They're lovely. Butterflies. I love butterflies, so couldn't help but grab some of this. The first one, Allure, is watercolor florals down here. Some text. It looks like it's still a little bit wet, but it's not. Actually still looks a little bit wet. But it's really lovely. And then the back side is very dark, sort of a dark bluey purple colour actually. Very dark, just watercolour, really nice, but wasn't expecting that to be so dark. But this one here, you can almost just pop a photo straight on that and it would be all good. A few layering pieces and all done. That's the kind of layout I'm liking lately. Trying to get to the scrapbooking table is a bit hard. And then another basically solid on the back, or the greens or the teals. Very nice. Oh, and a little one. Oh, this one is called Charming. Certainly is charming. This one is called Enchanted Fields. You could fussy cut those flowers on there. That's lovely. Purple flowers and green flowers actually on that one, and some little foliage. Oh, and a nice bright green on there, so that's very nice. I don't know how well the light is doing in here, but it's a very vibrant green, which actually matches this one really well. That's really pretty. And it goes. This one is called Endearing and has a large cluster of florals, very similar to the first page, just kind of on the other side. So yeah, very nice. And some text and watercolors all splashed about. Very pretty. Oh, and a lovely purple on the back. Oh, that's so scrumptious. It's nice to see some more purple in collections actually. And this one's Floral Notes. That one's lovely. Has little dragonflies too. There. And then a softer, more mossy green on the back. So that's really nice. Bit of texture. I'll bring it right up so you can see it. Hopefully. Really pretty. This one is called Majestic, and this one's very purple. I really like that. It's lovely and has a lot of detail. Absolutely Beautiful. You can just pop a photo on this one to embellish, put a little bit of layering embellishments around the side. Bit of texture paste would be nice on this too, just to give it that bit of dimension. Oh, and then a lovely soft, almost lavender, splashes of teal across it there on the solid, or what I like to call the solid. And then this one's called Temptation. That's lovely. That's lovely and soft. Love the dragonfly. 2, 3 dragonflies. So that's perfectly placed, aren't they? It's lovely. Ooh, and then that one. That's beautiful. So it's very nice. That's really rich. Has like a almost a pattern through it as well, of flowers there by the looks. Got my glasses on, I think. I wonder if you can see that. Maybe a little bit through there, see? A little bit of flower buds and stuff, and it has the text up here in the black, but in the white has little patterns through it as well. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that. And then last one, I think, yeah, piece number 8 is called Splendid. So again, a lovely watercolour. Floral, can pop a photo straight on, a little bit of layering and you're done. And then a lovely purple solid on the back with splashes of teal. Very nice. So that's the 8 pieces of cardstock, and then you do obviously get that also the added extra of some extra embellishments behind there as well on the front cover. So that's really good because they're beautiful quality, very thick, so very nice. And then I also picked up, just for a bit of layers, I got the laser cut elements. I'll bring them up closer so you can see them better. So there's 79 elements in here, and on the back of the page there's also some fussy cut elements that you can use as well. The only thing that I found was these are shiny on the back of this cardstock, but everything else is matte, so that was a little bit odd, but yeah, all good. I'm just a bit funny. But these are lovely, but very delicate. Very delicate. So they're not as thick as chipboard, but they're very delicate, pretty sturdy. But I think you would have to be quite gentle with them removing them, because they would possibly break. But there's some words, some beautiful little butterflies, pieces of lace that look extremely real, but aren't real. They look really cool. I love the frames, especially for making cards. Like these fit on a 6x6 beautifully, and the inside comes out as well, so you just push it out or cut it out. So it's a really lovely faux stitched frame. You could stitch some white stitching on top of that, and then just add another extra layer. Some beautiful little stamps here, some sentiments, really lovely. So you get 2 pages of those, really. You get a wreath on this one, some more lace, some tabs, smaller stamps. So you get a lovely variety of stuff. Oh, the colours are just gorgeous. So my mum's favourite colour is green. I may have to make a little card for her birthday out of this one. So this is beautiful. So I've got those, and then I also got the tags. So the tags were $9 here in Australia, and I think I got this from All About Scrapbooks because I find them the most reasonably priced. So you can also use this packaging as well, because it has ephemera basically on it as well. But there's all different sized tags. I try not to get shine on them. It's a little bit hard. My lights are not the greatest. So there's all different sizes, and how many are there? There are 18 tags, and there you get a few of each size. They all have eyelets in them, and they all have strings already attached. Little white strings, so you could take that out and put your own in there, obviously. But they're clear on the back as well, so you could just use them for journaling also, like having it lay loose on your thing and just turning it over for your journaling, hidden journaling on the back. But they come in all the colours. Which way are we going? This way? Some green has a dragonfly, some smaller ones. We have purple floral. I'm trying to bring it up. I'm standing up so I can get a little bit closer to the camera. Let me put a little piece there so we don't get all that. Getting a bit of shine today because it's dark outside almost. We're about 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it's raining and it's dark. Raining again in Australia. What a surprise. And we have some green watercolour, teal, some more green. I love this little shape. He's so cute. And then we have some little, almost like little bookmarks, these ones are. A little bit of floral, teals. They're just so cute. And I love that they've already got all these little strings on them, already done. And then the other last thing that I got for this one was the die cut pieces. So let's quickly open these. These have a huge range of sizes too. These are quite large. So I got this one. Oh, you'll probably hear my kids slamming doors and everything out there, running around. Out you go. Thank you, Bianca. There she's come running into my room. She forgot. So yeah, I got the 73 mix and match die cut pieces, and these are quite big and also some are quite small. So you get such a wide range in here. You get some sentiments all in the different colours. What's this? Memorable, forever, unforgettable. And these are cardstock. They're quite nice. They're lovely and nice and sturdy. You get some more tags. So if you're not a mad keen person on tags, you do get tags in the ephemera pack as well. So that's quite cool. I like a good tag. I'll stick them in everywhere. I do like them. You also get some tickets as well. Really cute little tickets. And you get all sorts of things. You get some frames, small frames, which is nice after the ones in the laser cuts are quite big. And then you can get some little pages, little postcards. They're so cute. Beautiful for writing your journaling. And there's some bigger ones which are frames as well. Oh, that's a bit chunky monkey, isn't it? It's a chunky one. Oh dear. Well, you could cut it out around here too, so you can make it your own. I think that's just there. I think I will probably make 2 frames out of that. But that would be a very cute shaker pocket. That would be very cute actually, so I'll have to think about that. A shaker pocket in there with some florals around the side here and your sentiment along there. That would actually be quite cute. I may have to think about that. Oh, maybe for my big sister's birthday card, because her favourite colour is purple. So yeah, all of these ephemera pieces are frames, and you also get like these page pieces as well, which are quite big. How big are they? Let me measure that for you. That is, I'd say 5 inches across, 5 1/4 by like 7. Yeah, 7 1/4. So quite big, but again, you can just chop it to whatever you want. Anyway, if you don't like big ephemera, you get some other big pages at the back here too. Get library cards, look quite big. Turn that around so that's the right way. But these are super cool. Great for layering and using as layering instead of your paper, because I've only got 8 pieces of paper. So these will come in really nicely for layering. Oval frame. Oh, I like the window. Isn't he super cute? Oh, I love that. He's super cute. Very nice. Like the window. It'd be nice to chop it down there so it opened. And then you get Italian or Parisian hyacinths. That's cute. So yeah, that's what I collected for VIKEN. Hope you enjoyed my little video. I'll be back very shortly with a new kit that I'm going to kill from my uniquely creative stash. So I will see you again soon, and thank you for stopping by today. And yeah, I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.